Hi friends, today our topic for discussion is doji. So let us understand what is doji. Doji looks like a cross. It is a crossed candlestick and basically it is a name for a session in which the candlestick for a security has same open and close price. That is, the open price will be equal to close price. So doji can be seen with a real body or without a real body. Now let us understand what does doji mean. It signifies trend reversal. That is, when you notice a trend moving upward or downward and then a doji, it means the market tells you to be cautious as there will be a chance of reversal. Apart from it, you have to note that doji is ineffective when there is no trend. That is, frequently seen doji with no trend signifies nothing. That means it does not give any sort of reversal signal over there. Let us start with first type of doji, that is dragonfly. It is also called as bullish doji. Here open, close and high of the day is the same and it has a longer lower shadow. The candlestick doji of a dragonfly tells that the seller tries to pull down the price, but the buyers dominate the seller and push the price back up, touching a high that is equal to open and close price. If you notice a dragonfly in a downtrend, it means that market is going to reverse and bulls will dominate. As you see on the slide, the picture of the dragonfly, it has a long lower shadow, which means the sellers are pulling the price down as much as possible, but the buyers have now entered the market and pushing up the price back up, where the high of the day becomes equal to the opening price and closing price. This is the second type of doji. It is called gravestone and it is a bearish doji. Here the open, close and low of the day is the same. It has longer upper shadow. The candlestick doji of a gravestone tells that buyer tried to push the price up, but the sellers dominate the buyers and pull the price down, thereby touching the low that is equal to open and close price. As you see the picture of the gravestone over here, the sellers are pulling the price down and the low of the day becomes equal to the opening price and closing price. If you notice a gravestone in an uptrend, it means that market is going to reverse and bears will dominate. This is the last type of doji and it is called long leg doji. Over here you will see that the opening price is equal to closing price. The longer upper and lower shadow states that the buyer and sellers are equally trying to push the price movement favorable to their side, but it doesn't happen and they land up even. So it basically signals indecision about the future.